Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce buyer's remorse with Home Lending Pal step by step clearly. To reduce buyer's remorse with Home Lending Pal, follow these clear steps. Begin by understanding what buyer's remorse is in the context of home buying. Recognize that it often stems from feelings of uncertainty and lack of information. Start your home buying journey with thorough research on the market. Explore various neighborhoods and understand their unique characteristics. Next, create a realistic budget that outlines your financial capabilities. Utilize online mortgage calculators to get an idea of monthly payments. Home Lending Pal offers tools to personalize your mortgage options. Use these tools to simulate different loan scenarios tailored to your situation. Reach out to trusted real estate agents for insightful perspectives. Attend open houses to get a feel for properties in your desired area. Once you've identified potential homes, prioritize your must-haves and deal breakers. Keep communication open with your lending specialist at Home Lending Pal. Ask questions about any terms you don't understand. As you narrow choices, actively seek feedback from friends or family members. Gauge their perspectives to balance emotional and practical considerations. Schedule a comparison of loan offers to assess interest rates and terms. Do not rush into decisions, take your time to reflect on your options. Once you've made a decision, engage in a thorough review of the contract. Ensure you understand all the terms and conditions before signing. Utilize Home Lending Pal's resources to clarify any confusing details. Stay connected with your lender for updates during the approval process. Finally, remind yourself why you chose this home and how it fits your needs. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce buyer's remorse with Home Lending Pal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.